303,000 po.
303,000. 303,000, this is the expected monetary value. So, assuming that this is the yearly income, so what we will be doing is to get the present worth of the capital investment and annual revenue, net annual revenue. That is PW is equal to, ang atin pong capital investment ay ayun, 900,000. At this is negative kasi siya ay capital investment, pababa. Plus yung yearly net annual income o net annual present, 1 minus 1 plus 0.25 raised to 5 negative 5 all over 0.25. Ano po yan?
Sir, negative 85,000. 148.16.
Okay po. Since this is less than 0, therefore, do not build the leaf. Nagets po yun? Negative pa rin po yung ating expected monetary value. Nagets po ba? O, lagyan na din eh. Lagyan ka na lang po. Saan ba depends bukas? Okay, sige, no worries. Dito na lang. Wala po kayong tanong ha? Sige po. Proceed po tayo doon sa isa ating decision admitting uncertainty. Ito na lang ito. Anong bahala bukas? Ano yan? Para saan yan? Endorsement letter. Di ba nag-i-endorse ay advisor? Okay. Go. Hindi po, sir. Tayo na. Ano yan? Isa pa rin? Hallelujah! Saan yung admitting uncertainty? $14. 576. Siya, walang example po dito ng ng tawag doon, na decision admitting uncertainty. Sige po, I will be sending na lang a problem. Hanap po ako ng problem mamaya pag-uwi sa internet, tapos para makarelate ang lahat, isasend ko na lang po sa GC. Then siguro bukas kung may oras tayo before magklase, siguro, before mag-exam, siguro umaga. Kung hindi nyo masasagutan, you can ask me, then I'll show you the solution before exam. Siguro maaga ngayon. Pero kung kaya nyo naman sagutan, just let me know para hindi ko na isosolve. Ano po? Okay lang po ba yon? Wala akong makita ng problem ng either conservative, optimistic, or minimax regret approach dito sa librong ito. Hindi niya in-specify kung anong method, kung paano, kung ano gagamitin sa problem. Sige po, I hope everyone was able to refresh all the topics and principles regarding the coverage for the final exam, and mag-aral po mabuti para bukas kahit na paano hindi kayo cramming sa pag-aaral. And yun lang. Good luck everyone. Good luck. Study hard, study well. You may leave the room. You may leave the gym. Yes, Miss Lovely?
Sir, mag-aas lang po if hindi po kaya possible na ma-move yung basahan po ng paper ng case study.
Until when?
Kahit hanggang Friday lang po.
Ano ka sabi ko? Exam day?
Opo.
Sige, Friday.
Okay
No
po.
August 1.
Thank you po.
Sige, sige. Any more concerns? Any more po? Wala na? Sige po, you may leave the meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.